Chase after peace with all your might. Don't stop the race, not in the night. Holiness holds the righteous key. Without it, none the Lord will see. Seek the light that makes you whole. Find the truth that stirs your soul.